Welding is used in many industries. It is estimated in the UK there are between 40,000 to 80,000 welders employed. Research shows that exposure to welding fume can cause lung cancer and possibly kidney cancer. RAVEX's RAVEX mobile welding fume filter is a self-contained mobile welding unit offering very high volume and high pressure extraction. With self-supporting arms, the duct is suspended out of the way of the work area. This system is an integral fan and filter system, so that the potentially harmful fumes are not only drawn away from the worker carrying out the welding, but they are filtered, keeping the whole area safe. This system can also be used with other metalworking tasks on site, such as cutting and grinding.